Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads on this 2012 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the algorithm. It really helps out a lot. First thing you do, break loose your lug nuts, jack up your car, and then take your lug nuts the rest of the way off and take your wheel off. Now we're going to remove these plastic caps from these two spots here, and then we're going to use a T25 Torx bit to remove the slides from the backs of here. So you can stick them in here and break these loose and take them out. Okay, now we've got our pins pulled most of the way out. We need to take this wire clip off. So all this really does is pull out. So what I usually do, take a flat blade screwdriver or a punch or some kind of thing like that and just kind of work like that, and you pull it out just like that, and then the other side usually comes out pretty easy. You wiggle it around a little bit, and then you'll be able to slide this caliper right out. Even just getting the wire turned like this is good enough. You can slide it off. Now you can take your old pads out and set your new ones in there. Now we need to twist this piston back in. This is the style that you have to push and twist. That's why those little holes are right there. So I actually only have this tool right here that pushes. So what I'll have to do is just push a little bit, twist a little bit with some pliers or something, push a little bit more, push, twist, get them back in there. I'll link down in the description below to an Amazon product or the actual tool that works better for this, that pushes and twists at the same time. That'll be in the description below, as well as some stuff like some caliper grease that we'll also need here in a minute, and new brake pads, things like that. Okay, the last thing we need to do before we put this back together is push these slides out and then re-grease them with some brake and caliper grease. So you'll just use the brush that's in there and paint it all over this, and then push these back in, and then you'll slide your caliper back on over here, tighten everything back down, put the clip back on. After you get both sides done, you need to go and push your brake pedal down to push those calipers out to make sure they're pressed back out tight against your rotor. That way when you're backing up your vehicle or whatever and you need to hit the brakes to stop, you don't have to pump your brakes a couple times to get your pads to squeeze. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the algorithm, and thanks for watching.